Before putting on the modular abduction harness, be sure to undo all the Velcro straps and lay the harness out on a flat surface. Ensure you have a barrier between your child's skin and the brace, and between both the harness straps and the thigh cuffs. Lay your child on top of the brace and gently place your child's thigh in each thigh cuff. First, secure the Velcro strap across your child's chest. Then, secure the shoulder straps by pulling through the loops on the chest strap and securing the Velcro to the line indicated by your provider. Next, secure the leg straps by pulling the strap through the loops attached to the thigh cuff and securing the Velcro up towards your child's chest.